Welcome back to the channel. Good morning, night shifters. I'm dragging a little today, but let's get after it. Market up or down? Market is down. Happy days are here again. And let's check out the brokerage account, which you can see we're already having computer problems, but we will push on. So nothing sold. We had two positions that were up for the day, which is cool on a down day. But now we need to execute the trading plan. Make sure it's written down. First step, market up or down, and the market is down. So now we need to look at the screener and try to find the positions that we already own in order from smallest to largest, uh, judging by total equity size. So let's head on over and see what we got. To be a little patient. I'm still waking up. Computer doesn't want to work, but little advert there. I mean, there we go. All right. So none of these positions are positions. Next step is, oh, tap. Do we have that one or we already sold it? I already sold tap. Tap already sold, so we don't have it. NOG, Civi, Noose, and United Health. None of those are on here. Okay, next step. Universe. Universe of stocks. Stocks you've done research on that are in your investing account. Brown-Forman is in my investing account, but the brokerage, for whatever reason, doesn't like that one. So we'll glaze over that. We've got it in other accounts, so I'm not too worried about it. So next, I just start at the top of the list. Let's don't overthink it. Just get in there. All right, we're looking for dividends. It has an EST and a TTM, which is cool. Over 1. Debt needs to be under 4. There's no debt at all here. And the PE and forward PE, if you add these up, divide by 2 to get an average, should be under 15. And they are. My computer just went white screen on me. Thanks, Target. All right, so we've got Bath and Body Works 25, 21. This is going to be a struggle today. The computer does not want to work. I need a new one. Need a new one. But until it blows up, we're going to use this one. BBWI. We're going to do one share here. We're trying to keep position sizing to 1% of the total account. But I don't do partial shares in this strategy. So one share it is. Over to the brokerage. Let's put some orders in. Got all 3 day trades. We got about $400, so we got plenty of money. We're slowly still creeping up to that elusive $2,000 in the account, which is pretty awesome from only $10 a week. We're going to make this a round trip order, so first triggers the second here. And it's going to be 25.21 on the closing print. Limit order. Always good till cancel with the extended hours. Now for the sale price, I'm going to take 25.21 times 1.01. Excuse me, 1.01. Pause the video. Do that math for yourself. But it's very basic stuff here. All right. We're lagging, so I'm going to make sure on this confirmation screen because I'm not getting burned again by a cheap computer. Everything looks good. Send the order. All right. We still have $372. So back to the screener until we're out of money or until we're out of stocks on the list. Be a longer video than I thought because computer's not working. But on down to Edison Utility here. You can see dividends, debt is under 4. It's very high, so there is risk here. PEs are both under 15, so there's a no-brainer. 48.32 EIX. Come on. It's really struggling today. The market is down today, and I am a happy camper. So if you're not happy when the market goes down, you either got your money kind of messed up, whereas you're over leveraged, or you've got your position sizing too much, or you do not have your finances correct in your main life. You know, you're running stuff a little bit too close. Again, first trigger's the second. This will be our second day trade here. If it does go through. Again, just one share. 48.32 on the closing print. Always a limit order, always good till cancel with extended hours. That way I can put the order in and just walk away from it. 48.32 times 1.01. Pause that video. Do the math for yourself. And let's get after it. My mom is blowing me up. Happy Father's Day to y'all, if you get one. If anybody gives a damn. I'm assuming that's what it's all about. This should take about 30 seconds, but the computer won't work. So, I'm going to run out of time before I have to go to work. All right. EPC. Dividends, debt's under 4. PEs are under 15, both of them, so you don't need to do an average, right? We know, we're good. 23.16 EPC. $23.16. Again, just one share. 1% of our account would be like $19. So, as the account gets bigger, we'll go into the math on how many shares to buy and whatnot. But it's very simple. Just 1% of the account. That way we can use math as our market advantage and have some ability to move around. First trigger's the second. This will be our final round trip order. Everything else will just be a buy order. And we'll have to hang out until Monday after close here. So 23.16, always a limit order, always good till cancel with the extended hours. $23.16 times 1.01. Pause that video. Do the math for yourself. All right. Back to the screen. stopping here. We're not saving money. We're going to put every dime in we put in as aggressively as possible as it falls. I'm on, you piece of crap. If you're still here, smash the like button for me, would you? Make sure you're subscribed and share this with your friends. We're getting close to all-time highs, and people will be asking about the stock market. Here immediately you can see both of these are over 15 for PE. So this is too expensive. Remember, price is what you pay, but value is what you get. Even a great company can be a bad investment if you pay too high of a price. Again here, if you add these up, divide by 2, see what you get. We just did buy and sell tap, so it should fit the system here. We've got dividends. Both of these have a number in them. Debt's under 4. PEs are both under 15. 50, 59 on tap. And you can see we bought and sold, made money on this stock, and it continued to come all the way down. That's the beauty of the strategy, where the market goes up, down, or sideways. I kill it. I just totally kill it. It doesn't matter. When people first get into stocks and whatnot, they're always worried, well, what if the stock market here still making money? The strategy is very, very safe for my individual risk tolerance, I guess you would say. And it's only after that, after I started accumulating some money, that I incorporated more what some people would call risky strategies. But stocks wiggle. They don't go up or down in a straight line. So as long as you're not greedy, I'm just trying to get 1% here. And it happens very quickly. Remember, we're out of day trades potentially, so until we get our account up to $25,000, we're right here with it. So I'm not using the spreads here. I'm using the closing print. It's the same for me as it is for you. It'll be the same all weekend. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. All right, that takes us about 250 here. And I believe we only have one more stock on the list. We'll hit that up. I'll get this video uploading, and I'll get my happy ass to work. It's supposed to be my day off. They took it from me. Good motivation to quit. So we'll be doing that as soon as possible. Western Union, last one. Dividends, very high. Wow. Debt is super high. This is of a high risk, but it's under 4. PEs are existent, very low, which means very value. Getting a lot of earnings per dollar you spend. On Western Union. See if I can kill this. That'll help out our internet calls here. All right. So we have a little math to do here. I guess if you speak it into existence. So $19 would be 1% of our total account. Divide that by $8.63, which is what a share of Western Union is going for, and you end up with 2.2. So without going over 1%, I'm going to buy 2 shares. 1% of my total account. So 863 times 2, it's going to be a whopping 1726. Very simple, no? No. I'm going to get this last order out of the way, but thank you all for watching. Remember, I'm not your licensed financial advisor. I'm not licensed to do anything besides take this moped down to the gas station and buy lottery tickets. That's what I do. Just a normal dude. This is how I consistently kill the markets. Very simple. It's not meant for you to follow this stuff. You have to do your own research and your own trading plan. But I'm just sharing what I'm doing as a regular dude working in a factory, killing the markets. And it works for me. Hopefully it's a little entertaining for you. Maybe you can learn something, maybe not. But yeah, it's not financial advice, so figure it out. So we check the overview screen here. It looks like Christmas. It feels like Christmas. The market was down. I was able to do a little hunting today. We still have $233, but we're looking forward to Monday flipping these stocks, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, so that we can get money into the investing account and make money doing nothing. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. If you have time, hit the playlist, increase your knowledge account, and your bank account will follow. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.